Now, let's process a delivery order. First, select the delivery order type to open the comprehensive customer information form. Here you can capture all the necessary details, including their name, contact info, and their full address for the driver. Building a delivery order is incredibly fast and intuitive. You can easily navigate to special categories like combo meals to add popular deals, or select an item from the dessert menu to upsell. Complete the meal by quickly adding beverages from the drinks menu. The entire POS is designed to help you build complex orders in seconds, maximizing your team's efficiency during peak hours. At checkout, you have powerful and flexible options to choose from. Click the drop-down menu to see the different actions available, allowing you to tailor the workflow to your specific operational needs. For this delivery order, we will select Submit and Print to both finalize the payment and send the ticket to your kitchen printer in one single easy step. The success message confirms it's all done. With the order placed, click the dashboard icon to return to your main screen. You're now ready to serve your next customer.